Hello everybody, my name is Max H2280 and welcome to a OBS tutorial. And so what I'm going to show you is how to download Open Broadcast Software, which is the current software that I am currently using for my streaming. I'll put the link down in the description below. I highly recommend the classic version over the studio because for the classic it's much more easier and it makes much more sense to context. So let's load it up. So I currently have Firefox open and we just open up a new tab here. And you want to go to, well, let's go to Google first and then open Broadcaster Software. You see it's already found it right there. So you click Open Broadcaster Software Home and it will take you to something that looks like this screen right here. Do not download OBS Studio. You can if you want, but I highly don't recommend it. So instead of to get to download the classic version, you want to go to download, and then you have two options here. You have the studio version and the classic version, which is all the way down here. And then you click download as zip, BitTorrent, or install. I normally choose download and installer. So I am going to download that. As you see, a file is here. It comes up as OBS 0659 with browser installer. That is the current version. It was released almost last year. So click save file and then it will be currently downloading right here. So we got 10 seconds left on the download. Okay, so once that is done, a little pop-up is going to show up. So it will say, do you want to allow this app to make a change to your device? You hit yes. And then this pops up and you click next. Well, I already have it running right now. So you click next and then hit install. Once that is done, click finish. And then this will pop up. And then now OBS is ready to go. Now let me show you how to get it working. So as you see right here, I have selected a couple of sources. Monitor capture, which captures the main monitor that you are on right now. Video capture is your webcam, as I'm going to show you. There's a webcam. Game capture is what game you want to play, and you select it under that specific tab. And then game capture 2 is another thing. If you want to put in a separate game in that separate tab, that is totally up to you. So now comes the tricky part. And this actually, well, tricky and a little bit easy. So the way this works, you got to be very, very specific on this one. So ignore all the echoes right here. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So you first click settings, and then it will normally say general. You want to go over to broadcast settings first, and then it will say it will automatically select live stream. It will then start as custom. You want to change that to Twitch. You click Twitch and then it will show you a play path stream key. This is actually very important, as I will show you now. So let me just load up my dashboard here. My Twitch name is Jin and Lucian. So this is how you want to find your stream key. So you go to your dashboard. Well, if you've created a Twitch account already, if you have, good job. If you haven't, it's really simple. All you have to do is click sign up, create username and password, select your selected email and your date of birth. It's that simple. And then once that is done, you go over to settings, and then over here you have stream key. You click that and then you click show key. And since I'm showing this to you in public, I am not going to show you my stream key. And So now that it's done, you want to click Show Key and then copy and paste the key that is provided to you. So actually, I'm not sure. Okay, Show Key. It will then say Stream Key. Never share your stream key with anyone or show it on stream. And then it will then say, please click I understand right here. If you understand the above and would like to view your stream key, click it, copy that, and then paste it right here. As you see right here. And then once that is done, if you ever see auto reconnect on, turn it off. I absolutely hate that setting because it absolutely doesn't make sense, because if you were doing something like personal and your stream was off, it can automatically reconnect it to you within a certain time limit. So turn this off and then click apply. Then you want to go to, it will then show you a couple of warning messages. You want to click video. Make sure the aspect ratio is 16:9. So my monitor, mine is a 2560 by 1440. The traditional is 1920 by 1080. And then once that is done, you select your audios, so your microphone and your desktop audio. And then once that is done, you want to go over to advanced, and then you want to head over to the encoding profile. So under video, and then it's under the CPU preset. Then you see encoding profile. There's two options, high or main. Please click main, it makes more sense. And then for the keyframe interval, it is 2 seconds. That's what OBS wants you to use. Click apply and your settings is set. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If it works, leave it down in the comment below. If not, I will help you correct it from the very start. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, leave it a like. And of course, I will see you soon. Thanks, guys.